Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Professor Dr. Rafia Rafiq, and today I will be talking about this very important and one of the bestseller books, The Essential Communication Skills for Healthcare Professionals. I have contributed a chapter in this book on the Socratic questioning. So communication matters a lot. How we communicate with our clients, how we communicate with our family, how we communicate with our friends. So if the students of psychology, psychiatry and people from other allied medical and health professionals want to improve their communication skills, learn about the recent developments in communication, how to communicate properly with your clients and with other people around, I highly recommend, and it is among the top seller books of the year. Please go through this book and get some time to go through the book and read the book, and also recommend the book to your students. It will be very informative for them and it will really help them in their professional careers. Thank you.